Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sunita from Arty Crafty. I have shown you several types of masks in my previous episode. Today I have come with these beautiful masks which is 2-in-1. You can use it as a decoration or even wear it. So let's get started. Grab A3 size paper with contrast color of 160 GSM. Now keep a paper aside. Fold it from the middle, okay, as I have already shown you in my previous episodes. This time we have little bit different from the other. Grab your scale, take your gel pen and you just measure 2 centimeter and create a mark here, okay, at 2 centimeter from the left edge, okay. Do the same from here, 2 centimeter, okay. We have this 2 marks, okay. Now you fold this paper up to this mark, okay, mark which we have. Now press on crease line. Open it, okay. So we need this crease line, as you know, I have already told you in my previous episodes. So for basic form of mask we need this crease line, okay. This time this area is little bit bigger than these two areas, okay. Now keep your paper like that as I am showing. Grab your scale again and now we will start measuring on this length of this paper, okay. We have the total length of this paper is 28 centimeter. We will divide it in half, that means 14 centimeter for these two areas, okay. Now take pencil and draw a straight line from this mark, okay. So straight line up to this crease line, okay. Now from here to that is crease line, so 2 centimeter from the top, okay. We create one more mark here and on the middle line, divided line, we will create a mark at about 1 centimeter from the right edge, okay. So we have a mark here and here. So we will connect these two marks with curved line. Now we at about no need to measure, we will directly create one mark in the middle of this first divided part, okay, middle of this first divided part. So now you draw one more curve line up to this mark. Okay, like this. 3 centimeter below this mark. Okay, 3 or 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Create one more mark here and draw a straight line up to this curve line. Straight line we have here. Okay, 1 centimeter below these marks we need one more mark over here, and from here to here draw a curved line like U shape. Okay, and do the same from here up to here. Okay, so this little bit area we have to leave. Now one more curved line we will draw like this. No need to take any measure or something like that. Just at about 1 centimeter you can manage the distance of 1 centimeter and just create this curved line here. Okay, this divided line we will use for, means just you divide it in equal half here and draw a shape like that. This is for nose. Okay, this is for nose. Next, draw a curved line from here to here and then do the same as I am instructing. Okay, this way you draw. Okay, and again that the bottom part of this divided area we will divide here on the crease line. We will divide it in half. Okay, create a mark here and draw a curved line up to the bottom. Now grab a scale and just create a mark at 2.5 centimeter distance from the below from the nose. Okay, and just draw a shape like that. Shape like that. Now we'll erase the extra line. This is the line which we need to erase. Okay, erase this line. Now grab your scissors and start cutting. Be careful while using your cutter knife. Now just grab another paper. Now take fold it like this. Vertically we have to fold. Okay. Place the paper same as I am doing. Now this is area where we draw the lines. Now flip it over. We will fold this paper from here. Okay. Place this another paper here like that. Okay, now stick this. Now you decorate your mask. It's all up to you. The design which you like, you can add some design on it. don't make it clumsy. Okay. One more thing we need to do, that is you cut it off from this line. Okay, this, like this. You can use some oil pastel here for coloring this. Now cut this extra sheet, fold it from the curve line. Okay, this extra sheet we need to cut. You can decorate this area with colorful paper or using pastel color, or you can leave it like that. Okay, so now this mask is ready, and if you want to hang it, decorate it on your wall, then you just staple it from the back side, make a hole here, and here we go. But at the same time you can put it on your face, and for that what you do, you just cut this paper from both sides and make a hole here, and tie a string or elastic, something like that, and you can put it on your face. Okay, you can put it on your face like that. Okay, so we can do this, use this both way. Okay, now it's looking nice. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. So please like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you have any suggestion regarding this, please write it in the comment box below. See you in the next episode. Bye.